up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another install. I forgot the name of this hair like right now while we're talking about it. Let me look it up. But yeah, I'm doing this water wave wig. I think it's 28 inches if I'm not mistaken. This hair is very soft, very affordable. This is a Amazon wig. I have been doing a lot of you know what I'm saying, Amazon wigs, trying to like do promotion. I was doing promotion for them at one point, like for Amazon wig sellers and stuff like that. I think I did a video on that or whatever, but I'm getting back into it. Oh, it's on sale right now. So the 28 inch, that is very cheap. That is shocking. I don't know why it's so cheap. That should say $100. I don't know why. Like, that's crazy. But for the 30 inch, that is crazy. What's the name of the brand? Okay, the brand is ELEENBONEY. I'm going to put it in the description box below, guys. I also have a link where you guys can shop all of my stuff that I promote. If you see it in my video or if you want it for yourself, 9 out of 10 is in that link, especially with the DHgate items. So as I can see, I put my little 2 layers on. I'm finna put my 2 layers on, 2-3 layers on. Make sure it's actually flat, because you don't want no boogers, snot boogers along your hairline. Okay, cool. Period. This is not really like a full tutorial because I did an in-depth tutorial before. But yeah, I'm just gonna be, you know what I'm saying, showing you guys how I just install a wig. So now that I have tied it down or whatever, I'm going in with my little wax stick and I'm going in with my hot comb to make sure it's not looking like a helmet. Okay, this is vital to the process of laying your wig flat, especially if you got them bulky braids. I know, guys, like, you guys do not want to spend all day braiding your hair down, but trust me, a flat foundation is great for a flat wig. Okay, period. Okay, so y'all do not see the worry in my face right now. I'm like, okay, I don't know. I done bought this same wig before. The hairline wasn't looking like that right there. Like, but I'm trusting in the process. I'm just going in, making sure I'm taking my time, going in with my scissors, cutting along the hairline. Then I'm finna go in with my makeup. Let's see if we can blend this baby, because baby, this giving chalk, okay? So then I go in with my, what is it called? Ooh, even spray or whatever along the hairline. Make sure I blow it blow dry it. Ooh, blow dry it and tie it down or whatever. So right here, I'm just like looking at the hairline, like I'm trying to make the part, and I don't see it coming together. So I feel like I would have to do this off of camera, which I really am. Because, yeah, I don't see it coming. The vision ain't visioning. Okay, y'all see me on the camera like, what in the actual fuck? So now I come back, y'all see my edges are completely done. I done flat iron, not flat iron, but hot combed my little part, trying to make my little part crisp as I can. Y'all, I really struggle with these edges. Like, I swear to God, I bought this same wig before, like, and it ate. Like, every time I reinstalled it, it ate the fuck up. Like, it was giving, like, Scapiana. Like, I don't know, but it might take for me to reinstall it again for it to have that little split. But yeah, y'all, so y'all see how I'm looking. I'm like, let me get into it. Let me start liking it. Because if I don't like my edges, baby, the whole look is just a no. But yeah, I'm finna wet this hair up and shape it up. So guys, this is the finished product. This is the finished look after I done put a little water and a little mousse on there. As you guys can see, I ate it up a little bit. I don't know, I still got some more work to do, y'all, with my installs. I've been doing this on and off for like a year now, but I feel like I could keep on doing it. Like, practice makes perfect. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section below, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Bye.